In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on Nintendo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card, you have to do it through the website at Fortnite.com. So instead of doing this process on your actual Nintendo Switch console, you will have to visit Fortnite.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. So all that you have to do upon arriving on this website is to sign into your Epic account, so the account that you use to play Fortnite on console. So when you are properly signed in, all that you have to do is go over to More and then choose V-Bucks. So you will have plenty of options at the top. Hover over More and choose V-Bucks. Now you will see the V-Bucks card redemption page. Redeem your V-Bucks card. Cards purchased at retail stores are redeemed here. An Epic account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account. Click Get Started below to find your Epic Games account and redeem your V-Bucks. And as you can see on these supported devices, they do have Nintendo Switch. So just click Get Started and now enter your PIN. So this is an image that shows you where to find the PIN. The code or the PIN you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch-off security covering. Please note that the PIN on the back of your card can only be redeemed through this website. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is scratch off the card and you will be able to find the PIN or the code that you can redeem on this page. As long as you sign into your Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite, you will receive the V-Bucks and you will be able to purchase anything available on the item shop. So just include the code here, and the next time that you open Fortnite on your Nintendo console, you will be able to spend the V-Bucks on the shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on Nintendo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.